This is my 2013 Subaru WRX. Got a decent amount of things done to it, but we can talk about it as we go get some gas. Had this car for 5 years now, I believe, maybe 6 now. No, 5 years. And she has gone through the ringer. Yeah, blown engine, snapped axles, done a lot of things in this car. But to be honest, at least for the driving portions, I think we're just gonna enjoy the sound. That Subi rumble. And if you have any questions about what's done to the build, I do got a few more other videos kind of going over what's done to this. But for this video, I think just a raw video of driving. Let's get into it. Okay, so we checked the oil, added some, got gas.
Video mode. Recording started.
Okay. because in the rain with flat foot, I have lost traction on some of the wheels, and then it ends up pulling timing to save it, and then I got to reset the AP. Never fun. Honestly, if the 5-speed ever does blow, I'm just gonna rebuild this. I've driven 6 speeds. They're nice. You know, the Subi community says they're strong and stuff, but I'd rather just build this with the 1 through 4 PPG gears. They're straight cuts. I prefer to just do that because I honestly love how high this revs. Just gotta watch from behind, make sure no one's right there. I think we're good. Oh, I just burned the ever-living piss out of that clutch. Oh! I'm gonna stick to doing launch controls in the dirt. Yeah. That definitely was the worst I've ever burnt my clutch. But one more time. I want to try to do it right. No one's behind me. Oh, that was better. Yep. She actually was spinning hella. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the car was like, just turning. Alright. Also, the clutch that's in this is an Exity Stage 1, the organic. It's like rated for 300 horsepower. And I intentionally went lower on the clutch because I wanted that to be the breaking point, not an axle again. Even though the clutch is more money, it's just, I'd rather have the clutch be the thing that's taking the wear and tear item versus gears and links. So, and that thing is, I think this has, I'm trying to think, I think this has 9,000 miles on it, the same amount as the engine. And I burnt it a few times, like being stuck in mud, in snow, climbing up a hill, and like having that stop and go on a hill, not like a normal hill, like in a mud hill where like your wheels just spin. But that flywheel, right? That flywheel, my flywheel definitely probably has some heat marks now. And my trans is hot. That is loose. And they say I can smell that. Delicious. never did that. Or maybe I just never, I don't think I've ever figured it out if I did that. Anyway, that's cool. Got that on video. Is it gonna let us go? It is. There's a dog. I won't be an asshole. I try not to be an asshole with people around. Like if you're in a car, yeah, I'll rip it by you. But when they're outside, they're also under the underpass with a dog, yeah, no. That gives the car community a bad name. If you liked watching this, like, comment, subscribe. I'll try to answer all the questions that you guys have. And hopefully I can get better at making some more content on YouTube. I'm very active on TikTok, so if you guys want to go follow that, that's Travis_Jewett, and that's a animated picture of my Zuby. Yeah, go subscribe if you want to see that, follow, and I guess, yeah, until next time. I'm also trying to get better at my shorts, the YouTube shorts, so I'm trying to get more active in different platforms. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as me, and I will try to get better at launch control with this, at least on asphalt now. In the dirt, I got it, but asphalt, that was interesting. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day, and you take care until the next video.